Excuse me. Drop curb you're blocked there.
Sorry?
You're blocking the dropped curb for the cycle route.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I'm just waiting for
Fine. Could you move your car, please?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Thank you.
Just explain why.
I don't care why. You parked illegally.
Handicapped person to come out to the car.
Fine.
So that's why, but you don't have to be rude about it.
Neither do you have to park where it's illegal.
As I said, I'm waiting for a handicapped person to come out so I can take him.
It doesn't make any difference.
You don't need to be rude, sir.
I'm not being rude.
You will
I haven't sworn at you.
No, I haven't sworn at you.
Good. But you're the one who's parked
you don't
illegally,
care.
aren't you? You parked on white lines, you parked on double yellow lines, and you blocked the drop curb.
Sir,
Fine.
as I've said, handicapped person.
That's fine.
Take it out.
Why do you have to block the entrance for other people?
No,
You could have parked anywhere.
just easier.
You just
for
happen to be
somebody.
parking there.
Make it easier for someone.
Well,
get
please
to the
don't
car.
park there again.
I'm not parked. I'm waiting for someone.
You're parked.
Sir, I'm making it easier for a
Fine. Well,
handicapped
please don't park there again. It's illegal.
Right, it is.
And you're blocking the access.
There was no need to be rude, sir.
I'm not being rude. I haven't sworn at you. I haven't been rude
sorry.
at all. I merely pointed out the fact you parked illegally and you blocked the drop
Can I
curb.
explain
And I
why?
can't get
And then
past.
You said you don't
Right.
care.
I don't care.
Sorry. I should have said that that person there doesn't mind you parking in front of him sometimes when there's cars in the driveway.
But he's blocking the drop curb for cyclists.
It's my fault because I struggle,
I appreciate that.
and because I struggle, I asked them to pull up the car.
Fine, I appreciate that. But there's plenty of places you could have parked where it didn't block the drop curb.
So what are you going to do with that?
What am I going to do with what?
Your camera?
Do with it?
Sorry,
What do you mean? Do with it?
we accept it's illegal. It was my behest. I was in the
Well,
wrong.
if he moves his car now,
Yeah, move it.
I've got
No,
an appointment to get to,
Sorry,
which
sorry.
is the problem.
Yeah, you can move the car.
Thank you.
I just don't accept.
Well,
No,
I haven't been rude.
no. Sorry.
Could you explain to him
Yeah,
what rude means in English?
I know. I live here, so they
I
don't.
appreciate that.
And because I struggle, and because they're being mindful of my condition.
I do appreciate that. But they must also be appreciative of the fact they're blocking a drop curb for other people.
And
It's-
as you say, it's white
and
lines.
he just doesn't seem to care.
I am one who, because I live there,
Yeah.
come
The
out
point
and
is,
come.
I care too much.
No,
sorry,
you don't care. No, you don't care about cyclists, do you?
Sorry.
No, you don't.
Sorry.
No, you don't.
Curb's clear.
Sorry.
Off you go.
Yeah,
Thank you. Off
because-
you go too.
Well,
No.
I'm waiting for him to get in public.
Oh,
no.
fine. Off you go. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Enjoy your ride.
Oh, I will.
Because I'm one of the persons who
Could
actually.
you please explain to him?
will,
Stop
because
being an
I
idiot.
actually come out and do photographs.
So why park? The hell? I'm not going to be able to get out there. Fucking wench. Selfish, what it is. Fuck's sake.
Prices on the things you love. Products may vary by region, subject to availability.
RV, I can get my car insurance from just £299.
Nowe miejsce, gdzie nie oceniają nas. Wchodzę w to bank, kiedy uśmiech stopy gaz i moja przestrzeń. W drodze rodzę nowy plan, beat, dobry bas, autostrada, lewy pas i nowe miejsce.
Take a line, love.